Hello, assalamu alaikum. I'm Kazi Faiz Ahmed from Designer Dollar. Today I am going to show you how we could upload your resume on your LinkedIn profile. So if you are new in my channel, then definitely consider subscribing. If you don't know that I am teaching the graphic design, the video editing, the motion graphics and animation projects on this my channel, particular channel, and I have another channel in Bengali language called Kazi Faiz Ahmed Dollar, or you can say the Dollar Production. So definitely you can check if you can understand Bengali language. And today just I can show you that how could you upload your resume on your profile. So this is my LinkedIn profile, and you can see this is called the Kazi Faiz Ahmed Dollar. Or you can see or you can tell me the Kazi Faiz Dollar Ahmed. Okay, fine, as it is. So if you are on your channel, sorry, if you are on your profile, so definitely you can go to the jobs. If you can't see these jobs, you have to activate the open to. So if you don't know that how to activate the open to option on your profile, then definitely you can check on other channels whoever teaches the LinkedIn profile, or how to create professionally a LinkedIn profile for your personal work or your personal reason. So you can see the open to work tag or caption is attached with my profile picture. So definitely it is my professional profile, and you have to also. So now you have to go to the jobs and just click on that jobs. Okay, fine. So just go to the application settings, and after going this settings, you can see this is my existing you can say the resume. So I am going to delete this resume and upload a new. So after deleting the resume, the existing resume, you have to refresh this page, and you can see this link. I will attach with in the description this link, so you can easily go through, and just you can see the manager resumes. Nothing is shown, and this is empty. So just you have to upload this your resume here. Just click on the upload resume and go to the drive, and go to the particular location where the resume of your is located. So I'm not seeing anything, but just okay, fine, then I will go with this and just click on the file. After going this file, you can see this is already attached, and you can easily download it from here or delete it, whatever you like. So just I'm going to delete it now, because I have to link another resume of mine. So that's it. If if this video gets you something knowledgeable, so definitely would subscribing this channel, the Designer Dollar, and share this video more and more with your friends and family. So thank you so much. We will talk soon later. Bye bye.